Hi guys, my name is Perry. I'm here at Just Ford Pullman. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to pair up your FordPass app to your vehicle and add a trailer into the sync system, and as well as turning on your trailer connection alarm, which will go off if someone tries to take off your trailer, as well as notify you on your FordPass app. So let's get started. You're going to start off with opening up your FordPass app and hit add vehicle, and then you would open your driver's side door because the VIN is on the side of your door. You want to scan it, and then after it picks up the scan, it'll give you a loading prompt, and then it'll give you connect to vehicle. You want to make sure your vehicle started at this point. Hit started my vehicle. And then it'll give you a notification on the screen saying, would you like to use FordPass app? You want to hit yes on that. Okay on the next one. And then this should take up to about 2 minutes, but sometimes it can take longer. It just depends on your phone connection. If you're using Wi-Fi or 4G or 5G. I have seen it on the 4Gs take a little bit longer than normal. So just be patient with it. Once it connects, it'll give you view my vehicle. And you want to select that vehicle. I don't want my privacy shared, so I hit no on both of these and hit submit. And you want to hit close. And that vehicle is paired up to your FordPass app. So now you can do remote start, schedule starts, lock and unlock your vehicle. You can see the location of your vehicle. And the next step would be making sure we pair up your trailer to your vehicle. Okay, so once you're in the vehicle, you want to make sure you move over to the features on your Sync 4 display. Go to towing. You want to add a trailer. Hit the trailer name. I'm going to put Just Ford Pullman, or just Ford. Want to do type of trailer. If you have a conventional trailer, gooseneck or fifth wheel, we're just going to say it's a conventional trailer. You want to hit save. You want to hit yes on continue, and then here you can pick and choose if you have electric over electric brakes or electric over hydraulic brakes, and we're just going to go with electric. And then braking effort, you can choose low, medium, or high. We're just going to go with low. And then you're going to enter in your trailer's length over here, and then you hit next. You're going to enter in your width of your trailer. Hit next, and then you can confirm the length and width of your trailer, or you can edit it. And the trailer's not connected right now, so I'm just gonna hit activate. So now the vehicle recognizes that trailer in the system. You can edit the gain of it. You can change the braking effort. You can change the type of brakes you have on it. You can also go up to the top, I believe, on it. You can change the name on it as well. So the next step would be this part that's not highlighted right now because there's no trailer connected. If the trailer was connected to the vehicle, and let's say if you're stopped at a hotel or any business, you can turn the system on with the trailer connected, and make sure your FordPass app is connected to the vehicle. Once you turn off the vehicle, lock the vehicle, go away from the vehicle. If someone tries to take off your trailer from your vehicle by unplugging it, it's going to set off the alarm of the vehicle, as well as give you a notification on your phone through the FordPass app saying someone's trying to take off your trailer. So you can run out there and just prevent that from happening. This system will also give you trailer maintenance. So you can go in there, let's say if you service your trailer every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you can go in there, you can reset the clock to that much, and it will remind you to do services on your trailer. So one other cool feature about the towing features on these newer vehicles is the trailer light check. Basically, I've been in the position where it's just me only trying to hook up a trailer and there's no one else with me, and I physically had to turn on every single turn signal and guess if my trailer brake lights will work. This feature, if you go into your settings, you go into your towing settings, it's your trailer light check. You would select it, and basically what it does, it will cycle through all your lights. So you can just have one person back there and it will just cycle through all the lights, and you will know that, hey, all my lights work and I'm safe to drive. My name is Perry. I'm here at Just Ford at Pullman. If you guys have any questions about towing and your vehicle's capability of towing, feel free to reach out to us. Like and subscribe. Thank you again. Take care.
Young Jeezy and Kanye.